Prepositions. A preposition comes before a noun or pronoun and shows a relationship of the noun or pronoun with the other words in the sentence. For example, meet me at the station. Suhana is waiting for me. Nishant hid behind a tree while playing. Here, at, for, behind. These are prepositions as they come before a noun or pronoun. The station is noun, a tree is noun, and me is pronoun. Preposition of movement or direction. We use preposition of movement or direction to show movement of a person or thing from one place to another. These prepositions are most often used with verbs of motion and are placed after the verb. For example, the ball went through the window. The puppy ran towards me. Here you can see went and ran. These are the verbs which show movement, and hence through and towards, these are prepositions of movement. Use of since and for. We use preposition since and for to show time. When we talk about an activity that started at some time in the past and has continued to the time when we are speaking, we use since. In a way, we can say action is not yet complete. This preposition is used to indicate the time when the action started. For example, India has been a republic since 1950. Here, since shows the beginning, 1950, and still India is republic. When we refer to the length of time or duration but do not specify the time when the action started, we use for. For example, Sujata has worked here for a week. I haven't seen a play for a long time. It has been snowing for 2 days in Manali. In all these sentences, we can see that duration is given a week, a long time, 2 days, but it doesn't specify when the action took place. Hence, we use for to show duration of an action and not the exact time. Some more examples of since and for. This is your exercise G from grammar book, which will clear the use of since and for. Varun has been swimming since the age of 3. The sentence will change to use for. Varun has been swimming for the last 10 years. Similarly, it has been raining since yesterday. It shows from when it started raining. The same sentence will change. It has been raining for more than 9 hours. We haven't been to Bengaluru since April 2010. But if we want to use for, we haven't been to Bengaluru for many years. Karthik has not watered the plant since Friday. Karthik has not watered the plants for 2 days. The baby has been sleeping since morning. But the baby has been sleeping for 5 hours. In this way, we can explain the use of since and for. Thank you, students.